Welcome back to another episode on Whip Media. Shouts out to my Vibe Tribe keeping me working hard. All my VTs, let's get right into it. Today's episode, I wanted to bring you guys some understanding on meditation and how to create a meditation space in a small apartment or a small home. So as our journey continues, Vibe Tribe, we have a lot of healing to do. And every king and queen has a kingdom. And when it comes to mental health, the temple is your mind. You have to have a meditation space to heal. For me, I find myself healing in research and creating these days. More and more, I feel good energy as we grow as creatives. Now, when it comes to social media and toxic energy, let's just say hurt people are still hurting people. But it feels like the cure to every problem these days is meditation. Feeling anxious? Meditate for 20 minutes a day. Can't sleep well? Again, meditate. Feeling lost, disconnected, depressed? Meditate. But whether it's for any of those reasons or not, maybe you just want a more peaceful life or just a peaceful mindset, this is the episode for you. There's many benefits to meditation. If you manage to do it daily, it will be a perfect way to recharge your body and mind. Disconnect from the daily stress, reduce anxiety, improve your focus, and increase clarity. Ultimately, meditation helps you reconnect with yourself. Also, it's like a mind detox that can enhance your life quality, the same way like going on a retreat can. Those who discovered meditation probably did so at a yoga studio. However, visiting the studio every day may not be possible. Therefore, you have to resort to home meditation. And for that purpose, it would be fantastic to set up a meditation room in your home. See, although some people can meditate anywhere, it may be more challenging for others to get in a meditative state. For them, the living room, home office, or bedroom may not be the best option. The living room is a high traffic area that will drag you from your path to serenity. Your home office may cause you to think about work. The sides of the home facing the street are too noisy, and the bedroom may be too relaxing and make you want to nap rather than meditate. Thus, a meditation room can be a wonderful addition to your home, where you can more easily get into a calm mindset. Now here's some guidelines to get you started. While there are no specific rules regarding what a meditation room should look like, there are some guidelines you should follow. When you set out to pinpoint the fitting room to dedicate to this activity, pay attention to the following. Number 1, it should be a quiet area with little traffic. Number 2, you need to feel good in that space. It should bring you peace and a smile on your face. Number 3, the room needs to be completely free of clutter so there are no distractions. Now, if you cannot find such a place in your home or there is no room available, know that outdoor space is also an option. Meditating in a garden can be a fantastic alternative that will add a new dose of your serenity. As long as the space is decluttered and makes you relaxed, any place will do. Your balcony, patio, or even the attic might be the perfect place for your new meditation room. Now also, depending on the time of day you prefer to practice meditation, you should consider these points. Number 1, choose a space that faces the southeast corner if you like to meditate at dawn. Early morning light will bathe you and give you energy for the day ahead. Number 2, Go for a room that faces the northwest corner if you prefer to meditate in the evening. The fading rays of the setting sun will give you serenity before you retire to bed after a busy day. Number 3. Opt for an east-facing corner if you want to emulate Buddha. He sat under the Bodhi tree, directly facing the morning sun while he meditated. Now, one of the biggest things that you need, and you're going to need this in your life, period, get rid of all the distractors. As we have mentioned, once you choose the right room, you have to eliminate all the clutter. No extra items, decor, or ornaments. Have it placed in this room. If you need to have some storage solutions here, use cupboards and cabinets rather than shelves. To practice mindfulness and tranquility, you have to be able to relax. And it's hard to do as many things as drawing your attention. Thus, all you need in this room are the basics: a small table, a rug, some floor pillows, or a comfortable armchair. Now, what you want to do is add a touch of nature in your style. What you can add, and is highly recommended, is a bit of nature. Meditation connects you to your surroundings, so natural elements can be very beneficial. Thus, add a plant or bring a vase with fresh flowers. A Zen garden is also a good idea, or decor using sand and seashells. Finally, few things are relaxing as the sound of water running, so you can add a small fountain too, or maybe I suggest like a fish tank. Moreover, you can add a personal touch without creating clutter. If you own an object you hold dear or feel connected to, use it to set up a meditation room in your home. Also, smell is a powerful tool. Thus, add something that smells good and that can help you relax. But whatever you do, keep in mind that you mustn't overdo it. Now, another big thing, lighting is essential. As always, natural light is the best, so if you can have a huge window in the room, it's fantastic. Still, some people find darkness more calming. So if you are that kind of person, don't feel pressured into introducing more light. Your meditation room must suit only you. Furthermore, if you meditate in the evening, you have to resort to artificial lighting. So stay clear of the fluorescent or neon lights, which are not only detrimental for your eyes, but can also induce anxiety. Thus, LED lights are a good option. Or even better, create some ambient lighting with the help of these. Number 1, dimmable lamps. Dimmable lamps, you can adjust the lighting according to how you feel at that particular moment. Number 2, scented candles. In addition to the soft flickering light that can be incredibly soothing, scents like sandalwood, lavender, sage can help put you in a meditative mindset. Number 3, hanging string lights. See, you can place them all around the room and create a unique atmosphere. And they're also incredibly decorative. Makes the room look nice. Now, when it comes to meditation, when it comes to energy, color scheme is vital. Colors have the power to make or break the mood. So they're very important for the meditation room. Of course, we all react differently to colors, depending on our personal preferences, experiences, even culture. Still, there are several color groups that can do different things for you. Number 1, red, orange, and yellow. Think of stimulating and energizing. Blue and pastel pink, peaceful and calming, can help reduce aggression. Indigo and brown induce the feeling of safety. Green and white represents fresh and natural. Black, dark gray, crimson red, other highly saturated shades can induce anxiety and a sense of distress. See, you need to choose the color scheme that will work for you best. If you find colors distracting, going minimalist and painting the room all white or another subtle color is the right way to go. On the other hand, if you get inspired by colors, you can have a rainbow theme. Also, if you wish to imitate Buddhist temples, you can use the earthy shades like brown, green, and tan. It will all depend on your preferences. So there you have it, Vibe Tribe. As we grow together, we'll glow together. Like and subscribe. Until next time, Mickey made it.